Hey man, thanks for tuning in, man. Got another video here going to show you how to properly maintain your batteries through the winter time. A lot of people don't realize that if you plug your charger in one time, after one time the charger shuts off, it doesn't come back on unless you have a maintainer style chargers. 80% of the chargers are not maintainers. Club Car, Easy Goes, all the factory chargers are not maintainers. So once they shut off, they don't come back on unless you make and break the DC side. And what you want to do, I always tell my customers, man, about once every 2 weeks, go out there, unplug your charger from the car, plug her back in. About once every 2 weeks, simple as that. And then always check the water in your batteries. This is a 36 volt car, so same thing as a 48, just different batteries. Always want to check your water levels. You can see the water in there, as long as the water covers the plates. A lot of people say that you have to have distilled water. I've been to golf courses where they use pond water that has chemicals, and they run the golf carts 2 times a day, 18 holes of golf twice, all pond water, and they get 3 to 4 years out the batteries. So really, it's your preference. Do I think you need distilled water? Hell no. But some people just want it because that's what the book calls for. I mean, it's not like batteries last 50 years. If you get 3 to 5 years out of a set of batteries, you've done good. All right, man. Always add water to your batteries after they're charging. After they get done charging, unless they're low, then add before. But if they're borderline on the water, always add after you get done charging. As long as the cells are not dry. Excuse me, as long as the battery plates are not dry. Like I said, once every 2 weeks, just go out there, unplug the car, plug it back in. All right. Now, if you have a club car, you have to unplug it from the AC side first. All right, stay tuned.